Go. I thought you were going to put your face under the water. Oh, I guess you did. You alright? Put your hands up.
Yeah.
Easy, killer.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Eat it. Eat it.